Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at the Tomy and Hasbro's Transformers War for Cybertron Siege Trilogy lineup. This one is Autobot, Firedrive, and he is a Battle Master. So, yeah. Nice artwork on the front of the box there. Here's his little accessories. He turns it to a weapon. So yeah, Battle Master. Hasbro affected, Takara Tomy, all that great stuff. Now you see this right here, the Autobot symbol? See that little symbol there that looks kind of like a little Triton right in there? That is supposed to be the Cybertronian version of the Autobot symbol. So, that's how they're doing it on these packages nowadays. Like if we let a blowpipe here, and just kind of compare them side by side, you can see somewhat of the Decepticon logo, Autobot logo, but then, look up here, that's kind of hard to hold both of them. But you know what I mean. Right there, see it? Triton, Autobot, Cybertronian, Autobot symbol. Right there, that NASA spaceship is the Decepticon, Cybertronian symbol. It's weird, but that's how they're doing it. So you kind of have like a standard, traditional, humanized, earthen, Autobot and Decepticon logo symbols, but then you have their Cybertron symbol. So if we're used to this as being the Autobot symbol, well, if we live on Cybertron, that would be the Autobot symbol. Yep. Anyway, this one is WFC-S1. So this is the very first one in the Transformers War for Cybertron Siege lineup trilogy. I really don't know why they went with a Battle Master, which is aka pretty much a Target Master, for the first ones, I would put like an actual deluxe class Transformer, then maybe these, or maybe a weaponizer, and then these, or maybe what's the little fella's called here? Or a Micromaster, or like a Leader class or Voyager class, but to start off with a Target Master, well, it says Battle Master, but everyone knows they're Target Masters, okay? Because I believe there even was a Firedrive, and if there wasn't Firedrive, I know there was a Blowpipe and some other ones that was in Transformers the Rebirth, which was like, what, a 2-part episode that should have been a standard season 4, but yeah, they decided to tack it on to season 3, which it didn't make any sense. It was kind of stupid. But anyway, yeah. You can see the little accessories put in to make like you shoot out the weapons, and then like you got hit by the weapon. So let's open up, take a look at it. So here's our little instructions. Not much. I mean, I don't really know why they fold them up like this. They could just fold it over like this. But oh well. Real simple, easy. It's like what? 5 steps for this little fella. So let's take a look at him. For the face, ew, that face is just horrible and disgusting. I mean, you have this face right here, which you can see the eyes, the mouth, you know, all that great expression right there in detail. And what we actually got was a big old plastic orange glob of plastic paint. Like, he has no face. Like, literally, you have to go in there with your little knife and carve him a new face and then paint it. I mean, that is just horrible and disgusting. Arms can move out to about there. They could rotate all the way around. Legs can move forward, back to about there, but if we move it up, they could, you know, actually move all the way around to there, there and there. I mean, everything else on him is nicely detailed, but that face is just horrible compared to what's on the box. So then we have these little plugs, which are, you know, supposed to be like the effect parts. Now these ones are not made out of solid plastic like how Transformers. These are actually soft little rubber. I mean, they're not completely soft, but they do have kind of that a Twizzlers. If you ever have a Twizzlers candy and you felt them, that's what this feels like. Kind of like the fitness, the rubbery material, the texture, the bumps, and the little design. It feels like holding a piece of Twizzlers. Not Twizzlers Rope, but just a regular old piece of, you know, red wine or some black licorice Twizzlers. That's what they feel like. So how big is he? We'll compare him to the size scale, so let's put out some deluxe class fitters. I don't know if we're going to have room for it in here. But, probably not. Yeah, I think that's about all of them. So, you know, we have Deluxe Class COD, Deluxe Class Skytread, Deluxe Class Hot Rod. This is from Powder Primes, and then these ones up to here, it's from War for Cybertron Siege, War for Cybertron Siege, War for Cybertron Siege, Bailmaster. No, I mean, well, I can always keep forgetting. Micromaster. Micromaster. There we go. Bailmaster. The Pretenders. Another Micromaster, which should be standing over here, but, you know. And then Powder Prime. Not Powder Prime. That was a yucky, nasty series. Both in the anime version and the toy line. I mean, Titan's Return weapon. So, yeah. So, let's move these little fellas out of the way. As you can see, he's already holding a Micromaster weapon. So, yep. How do we convert him into his weaponizer mode? Tie the little feet together. There is a little... Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. So yeah, there's a little tab that tabs in over here. Then you just flip the little head up, or the weapon over the head. Then it's saying put the feet up and over the head. Which way did they go? Let's see here. The tab feet should go. Okay, over the head. And see those little slots there? There's tabs right there. So they're supposed to tab in, but I noticed with this lamp, a lot of things don't like to tab in, and then you take the arms, which has a little tab, and then they tab in right over here, which again, they don't really want to tab in. They're just going to kind of sit there. So there it is, and it's right there. Now the little pad just stay out. There's no way of moving that pad, so there's that. And then let's kind of see if let's get COD, the weapon. So there's that. Then you could take these little fat parts and you could put them into there. So his little weapon mode is supposed to be dual charge electrostatic photon cannon. Dual charge electrostatic photon cannon is what this weapon is supposed to be. Okay, I see the photon cannon, but the feet kind of like a little missile rocket launcher. I mean, let that detail on the feet part. So we're going to take one of these and we're just going to put it in there like that. And this other one, I guess we can put it somewhere in here like this. So if we kind of hold them like this, you kind of see the effect that they're trying to go for. Which I actually like this. I wish that all these, ones had like these little fat parts. Because that's actually a pretty clever idea. So, looks like he's been hit by the blast. He's firing blast.